All right, this is finding a commission on a sale. Now, a commission is a percentage of the money of the sale. So let's say, for example, a salesperson goes ahead and sells an object costing $55,000. Yeah? And let's say they get a commission of, let's say, 8% commission. How much money do they get? So the sale price was 55,000. The commission is 8% of that. So we need to find 8% of 55,000. That's 8%. Let's change that into a decimal. So 0.08 times 55,000. Okay, let's see what we get. So 8%, that's 0.08 times 55,000. Oops, 55,000. And we get 4,400. So the answer is $4,400. Let's say a person sells a house. Let's say the house is $1.75 million. I'll do that. And they get a 2% commission. In fact, a 2.5% commission. So what does that come to? Well, let's write this out in full. It's 175,000. That's 1.75 million, or 1,750,000. And they get a commission of 2.5. Well, let's turn that into a decimal. I've got 2.5. There it is. Decimals here. Moving it 2 spaces to the left to turn it into, that's the percentage. I'm turning the percentage into a decimal. I'm going to divide it by 1,000. It's very late at night. I'm going to divide it by 100. So I'm going to move the decimal place 2 spaces to the left, and I'm going to end up with 0.025. So it's 175,000 times 0.025. What does that come to? Let's find out. So I've got 175, get that out of the way, 1,750,000, and I'm going to multiply it by 0.025. And we get 43,750, which would be pretty common, really. 43,750. So if a real estate salesperson sold a house costing 1.75 million or so, they could expect easily a commission of $40,000, at least in many places. All right, let's do one more. Let's say we've got, they work in a store and they sell a piece of clothing or a handbag perhaps, or a piece of luggage. And let's say they get a 5.25% commission. The commission is 5.25%. So let's say the piece of luggage, or let's say they sold a handbag. Let's say it was an expensive handbag. Let's say the handbag was $2,295. So expensive handbag. By the way, in some cases, it's not an expensive handbag. So we're going to find 5.25% of $2,295. So we change this to a decimal. Here we go. So it's 5.25. Decimals here. I'm going to move it 1, 2 spaces to the left. Again, you can just do this on your calculator. Decimals now here. Placeholder there. Leading 0 there. And I've got 2,295 times that number there. Let's see where we land. We've got, here we go. We've got 2,295 times 0.0525, which is 5.25%. And we get a commission of $120 and 128.4875. Let's write that out. So I've got 120.4875. And this is in dollars, so I'm actually going to round that. I'm going to write it 120 point. I'm going to make that, because that number's there, is more than 4. I'm going to bump this up 1, so it's going to be 49. So they're going to get $120.49, and there's my answer.